Who doesn't love chutneys? There are various kinds of chutneys or condiments all over the world. Red, hot and spicy chutney with steaming hot momos. I'm talking about Momo Chutney. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make red chili chutney or Momo chutney. So let's see what we'll need to make this recipe. Deseeded dry red chilies, onions, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt, tomato ketchup, soy sauce, vinegar, sugar and white oil. I first remove the seeds and stems from the red chilies. Take 10 dry red chilies into a pan. Now take 1 onion. Now add 3/4 cup of water. Cover the pan and boil for 5 minutes. Take off the lid. Now you can see the onions and red chilies are soft enough. Now take the onions and red chilies into a blender jar. Please use spatula or a spoon to put them into a jar, but don't use your hands, even don't touch it. Add 1 tablespoon white oil and make a fine paste. Just look at the color, it's so vibrant and smooth. Now I'm going to make the sauce. Into a pan, add 1 tablespoon white oil. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. Give a quick stir. Now add previously made onion and red chili paste. Give a good mix. When you make this sauce, make sure all the doors and windows are open in your kitchen because we are cooking the dry chilies. Now add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, salt to taste, and pinch of sugar to balance the taste. Mix them nicely. You can see the color, it has changed to red because of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now you can also see the oil has separated. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Give a good mix. Now add 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Mix nicely. Tomato ketchup is the base ingredient of this dish. This sauce is spicy, tangy and little sweet. You can also watch my steamed momo recipe, momo soup recipe as well as pan-fried momo recipe. I'll give the link in the description box. Red chili chutney or momo chutney is completely ready. Just dip a steaming hot momo and have a good bite. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Please subscribe my channel and give your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.